Hello guys, welcome back. It's me Sinto, and in this video I will show all of my aquariums that I have, that is till year 2020, and I will also show what I do with them by month end, my maintenance routine and all that. So let's get started. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you my aquariums that I have. Here it is one, and this is the turtle aquarium I have. This is the breeding aquarium, you may know it, and this is a small beta aquarium. Now I am using it to keep the slow growing discus. So I will be cleaning this aquarium since it's month end, so I will be changing the filter media and cleaning the filter medias of all these aquariums. Now one of the strange thing is that my red valentine discus has laid so many eggs. You can see that it's so many of them, but they are not hatching out. Means previously they have also laid eggs previously, but they were not hatching out. They were turning into white spots and eventually eaten up by this discus fish. So either there is only one female or the male is not fertilizing the eggs, that's why it's happening. So I will be making a breeding tank for this red valentine discus and also this blue diamond pair. The blue diamond was also laying eggs, but there were only few eggs. And rest of this discus fish, you can see the blue rim discus. There is blue lining on the face of this discus. That was this discus were born by breeding these two pairs, this one and this one. So a strange color pattern has been observed in this discus fish. You can see that there is blue face and rest is heckle cross. So what I should call them, I don't know. Okay, let's start the cleaning the aquariums. I will clean this aquarium and this one. This is my turtle and it's almost 5 years old. It is very big and the aquarium is very small, so I need a pond or a bigger aquarium for this turtle. Lots of things has to be done. I'm waiting for some money to do all these things. This is my breeding pairs. There was a white spot on the eye of this female discus, but after adding salt and changing the water, the white spot on the eye was removed. Also I used some I dosed this what is called anti-inch solution daily, 5 drops into the aquarium till the white spot disappears. So if you have any problems like that, the white spot on the eye of the discus, you have to medicate it daily till it is gone. I used this medicine and it was very effective. Anti-inch, some methylene blue type solution it is. We can use this. Okay, I'm going to clean the aquarium now. So this is the strange discus. There is blue color on its face and rest is heckle cross. I will be selling this fish also on an online shop that I was working for so long, but it is still not happening. I will set up the online store to sell it. If you are interested to buy, please comment it in the comment section, and that will encourage me more to do that. These are the slow growing discus. I have kept it together, and one of this slow growing discus is very small. It is hiding somewhere back. Okay, enough now. Let's clean this aquarium. Actually, I'm not planning to clean it. I will do the water change because this discus has laid eggs on the filter, so I cannot clean the filter now. So after 1 month, my habit is usually to clean the filter also. So after 2 weeks I will clean the filter now, because this discus has laid eggs on the filter and I don't want to disturb it. So let's go.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, I have done the filter cleaning for these 3 aquariums. This aquarium I'm not cleaning the filter because it has laid eggs. The discus has laid eggs on the filter. So time to do the water change for all this. I will be back after the water change. Okay guys, I have emptied some water from all the aquariums. Now I'm going to back and filling it up all these aquariums, and I will show the more aquariums that are kept inside my house and outside my house as well. So let's do it. Total tank filling up. Discus grow out tank filling up. Okay, I have done the water change and cleaned the filters. Now let's see some of the fishes. This is my breeding tank. These are my breeding pairs. My super silent water pump. I like this pump very much. It is super silent. This is my turtle aquarium, recently cleaned. This is the female red ear slider, Adina. She needs a big pond and a big aquarium. So help me out in the Patreon page or check the crowdfunding link on my channel page. It will support the channel growth. And this is my discus grower tank. In the grower tank I have kept the breeding pairs, so a separate breeding tank has to be set up anyway. After selling this discus fish, I may set up the breeding tank. These are red valentine discus guarding their eggs. This is the blue ring discus. I don't know what to call it. It has a special color pattern. And this one is the blue diamond discus. That is also a breeding pair. One has laid eggs, so it is not confirmed a breeding pair. I have to do some more research on it. So guys, this is my outdoor aquarium, outdoor lotus aquarium, but the lotus is not blooming because it's not the season for it. I have added a new plant. It is growing very fast, and I have added some neon tetras and some other tetras inside this aquarium. They are okay, but this aquarium needs a filter, so I have a gate light over there, so I can stretch the wire and add a filter. Yeah, that's all about it. So I hope you like this video. Please like and share the video, and subscribe and turn on the bell notification to watch my upcoming videos. So I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye and take care, and thanks for watching.